Hello, welcome to the Apple Classroom Setup video tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to get the initial setup underway to begin to use Apple Classroom with your students. This is a view of a teacher iPad, but please know Apple Classroom is also available as an app on your MacBook as well. First, to begin, the Apple Classroom app is only needed to be installed on your teacher device. Students do not need to have Apple Classroom on their devices. So to begin, I'm going to make sure I go into Manager and make sure that I have Apple Classroom installed as well as updated. So in Self-Service, I'm going to scroll through alphabetically until I see Classroom. And I'm going to tap Reinstall Update just to be sure I have it available to me to use. Next, we're going to ensure our Burlington Public Schools managed Apple ID is entered on the iPad. Please tap on the Settings app, and once in Settings, look to the left-hand side to see the name of the Apple ID entered. Please be sure it is your teacher name and teacher bpsk12.org Gmail that is being used. Also, you should see 200 gigabytes for your iCloud storage. Once installed, please go to the Apple Classroom app and give it a tap. The first screen you'll see here is a viewing of all of the classes I have been assigned, either through Aspen or those that I created myself. Now, if you're a first-time user as a teacher, you would have been prompted to put in your teacher name before you would be able to see this screen of classes. So please go ahead, if you're on that point now, and enter in your teacher name on your prompt. So coming back to the classes screen, again, these are here because I am either an assigned Aspen teacher or I've created my own for small group instruction. How you would create your own, you would tap on the plus sign that you see here, enter in your class name, your location, which is just your school, choose an icon that best represents your class and a color, and then after that you would see an entire list of available students to you with their LACID numbers. All you would need to do is to put a check mark by tapping next to the student you want to add and enroll in your class, and then click Done. For privacy reasons, I'm not showing all of the students' names on the screen, but it is a very simple step. I'm going to now go back and begin my demonstration of setting up and begin to use my Apple Classroom for the grade pre-K to 12 Apple Classroom demo. It's the purple icon all the way to the right. Here you can see the 3 students that I have entered in my Apple Classroom for training purposes, BPS, BPS2, and 3. For this demonstration, I'm just managing one other student iPad for the recording, and you can see that student's iPad screen is shown to you here. BPS as is the student's name. When you're looking at the screen, your classroom title name is on the left, how many students are in that class, and then how many are offline. Again, there's only one online that I can see because the other 2 iPads, I don't have access to 2 additional, so we're just using this first one. And please note that on the student device, under their settings app, they have to have their Bluetooth enabled. I can see that my student is on the home screen under the apps listing, and again, their thumbnail view also matches. Going across the top, these are the features that are going to be highlighted in the following tutorials. We have Open, that looks like the stack of books, if you will. Navigate, that looks like the Safari icon or a compass. The 4 squares that you see there, that's a view of whether you're seeing thumbnails. I'll give it a tap. Or if you're just seeing in words where your student is without a screen view. The eye allows us to hide apps for students. The lock allows us to lock and unlock. Student screens, the speaker with the slash through it represents mute if we needed to turn off the volume for student iPads. And then the three-dot menu has a few things underneath it. You can add students, remove students, connect them, send them a reminder if their Bluetooth is not connected, as well as end the class. So to first get started, I just wanted to demonstrate those features. Now please join me for the next subsequent tutorial where we'll start to talk about each of the tools at the top. Thank you so much.